This 2020 Winnebago Travato 59KL is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, refrigerator, awning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, air conditioning, smoke detector, water heater, oven, TV, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front kitchen, rear bath. This 2020 Winnebago Travato 59KL is built on a Ram chassis and is powered by a Promaster engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.